Hey guys, a warm welcome back to the channel. Before all of this, I started out with a cheap classic Ferrari. Well, not everything in life quite goes to plan, and it ended up needing an entire rebuild. But every cloud has a silver lining, so find out how I turned a disaster into a massive profit. Here's the build, grab a coffee and enjoy.
Give us a toot. Give us a flash. Yeah, I can see that. And a toot. Nice. Here's our wiring diagram.
Someone with a pair of gloves, what you need to do is, you see that centre thing, you need to hover that near it, and see if there's a spark.
And how is the how much voltage runs through that?
Well, I mean, it could be about 25,000 volts coming out of the HP.
Nice.
I need to check that, of course.
25,000 volts.
So
that's just the way we roll.
Breakfast.
Right, Tim, is he feeling confident? Right.
TD sensor resistance. See this?
Have you got the prongs in?
We're doing
Yep, that is a dodo. Woohoo! Come on, baby. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. 3.2 power. Oh, sounding beautiful! Yeah! Give me a bit of a rev! Yeah!
there you go guys, what was supposed to be a cheap Ferrari purchase ended up being a full-blown rebuild. Moral of the story, when a seller tells you it was working perfectly a few weeks ago, never quite take his word for it. As I said at the beginning though, every cloud has a silver lining. In this case, not only did I learn a lot about Ferrari, I had a lot of fun in the process, and the icing on the cake was I turned a £7,000 Ferrari purchase into a £30,000 sale. And with everything I spent on it, I still more than doubled my money on that car, and you can't ask for more than that. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, give me a comment below, share the video, and if you enjoy it, you can check me out also over on Instagram where I post on a daily basis. Thanks for watching guys, until the next time, ciao for now.